So between the 15th of July and the 10th of August, I was seeing various trains around Ayrshire. So my first catch would be on the 15th at Paisley-Gilmer Street, where we'd go to see 2G41, the 1552 ScotRail Service 2, Europe from Glasgow Central with 318257. Then this is 1T19, the 1557 ScotRail Service 2, Larks from Glasgow Central with 380105. Then this is 1W23, the 1603 ScotRail Service 2, Wimms Bay from Glasgow Central with 385016. And then my last catch at Paisley on this day would be 4S69, the 1604 GBRF Service 2 Eldersley GBRF from Doncaster Airport GBRF with 66741. And then we go to Barassi on the same day, where we go to see 6R46, the 1724 Close Rail Freight Service to Grangemouth Innes from Prestwick BP Oil with 56096. And then we'd head round to Irvin's Caledonian Paper, where we'd go to see 6774, early 1855, departed at 1839, GBRF service to Wembley Receptions 1 to 7, from Irvin's Caledonian Paper GB with 66789. And then we go to Sunday the 18th, where we go to see 1H87, the early 1107 turn up at 10:49 GBRF service to Wimms Bay from Bridge of Orkney with 66746 Holland the Royal Scotsman. And then we go to Barassi Junction on the 26th of July, where we first see 1A10, the 0910 ScotRail Service to Stranraer from Glasgow Central with 156476. And then this is 5Q6, the 0947 Rail Operations Group Service to Yoker CS from Kilmarnock Bonington Depot with 37800 and 32305. And then we go to the 30th of July at Prestwick International Airport, where we see 66789 returning to Scotland on, funny enough, the same working that it did up. This was 6S94 1640 GBRF service to Irvin's Caledonian Paper GB from Wembley Receptions 1 to 7 with again 66789. And then we make our final return to Paisley Gilmer Street on the 5th of August, where we go to see the only catch of the PLPR this month. And it was 37610 and 116 running 1 Quebec 18 1914 Moss End to Moss End. And then we go to Gales Level Crossing on the 6th of August, where we go to see 6M23, the early 1319 turn up at 1301 direct rail service to Sellafield BNF from Henderson LI DRS with 68007 and 001. And then we're going to push the boundaries a little bit here. Even though this is an Ayrshire video, we go to the Glasgow South Western on the 10th of August, where we go to see OZ98 1240 direct rail service to Kilmarnock Barclays SCGS from Crewe Gressley Bridge DRS with 57002 and 003. And then following just shortly after, this would be OZ85, the 1307 closed rail freight service to Irvin's Caledonian Paper from Port of Workington Colas with 7816. And then just a little bit later on we go to Prestwick Town, where we'd see them run their 7Z98 1546 direct rail service to Grew Basford Hall SSM from Kilmarnock Barclays sidings with 57002 and 003. And then my last catch of the month would be seeing the exact same move at Mauchline when they passed at 16.26.